Good day mga ka-faith friends, and our gospel for today is according to Matthew chapter 14, verse 1 to 12. We have read and heard the sad but glorious faith of John the Baptist. This is the immense prize of proclaiming the truth. What he was experienced before is still the same today, though they may not be as they were, but in another form, as they are as such social injustice, racism, indifference, violent decision, human apathy. Hence, we must make the right choice and let us ask the guidance of the Holy Spirit to fill our heart and mind with love and truth of God. For more videos, you may subscribe to our YouTube channel, Faithbook PH. Download the Faithbook app or just visit our website www.faithbookph. Thank you and have a nice day.